Thank you for watching. Please share and don't forget to click that subscribe button for more adventures.
Ako'y anak ng mahirap, lumaking salat sa yaman. Maagang nawala si ama, ang ina ko na may mahina.